Welcome to Rajasasela Holistics. Today I am doing a cause and effect spread for vegans this week, how the week will go. If you have any issue, it may be a guidance from the universe for you. If you don't have any issue, whichever criteria it is, you can watch it like entertainment. It's up to you. So let's start. The first card denoting your general energy, the root cause card, tarot's guidance for the issue, and the outcome card. And I am taking another card from another deck, angel guidance. The first card being your general energy is Four of Swords. So some issue is going on in your life that makes you to take decision very fastly, and things need to be attended very fast, but the issue is more complicated, so you are not able to take it. So you need some time to meditate and contemplate about the issue and go into the core. Or some issues may be assets that you can't tackle it, so you are depending upon the universe to give you the suggestions. So that are your energies right now, and the reason is the Star. So this card says that there had been some issues in your life that you mishandled, so there were no much transparency in your dealings, and things went out from your hand. So you felt that the things are hopeless, and also, but the actual thing is something different, and what you percept that is different. So there the difference is created because of your work not being very transparent, or you did something which was completely out of the synchronicity of the universe energy, so that created some issue. So the best you can do, the universe suggestion is Seven of Cups. So it says that there are many fake things in it. You have to rule it out. What all are there, the options, every one option you have to take and contemplate about it, and weed away all the negative things and go only for the genuine one. So you have to do that homework and then proceed. That's what the angel and the guidance message says. And the outcome card is Page of Swords. You need to be very careful because things are not really as good as you think. You should be very careful, otherwise you may be victimized by the other party or the opponents of yours. So you need to be very careful and rule out all the fake things and fake people from your life, and stop doing any foolish activities as you had done in the past without seeing the end. You had done both good and bad both, so many things went out of hand. So that also it says the angel message for you is multiple options. Here again the tarot guidance also says that multiple options may crop up, you need to be careful, and angel guidance says that in the multiple options only you will get the real option, and you have to embrace the possibilities in your life. That is very important. You have to embrace the one which is really true, and you need to seek the help of the angels. So those are the guidance from the tarot and the angelic realm. So if you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.